is shining bright. I wake up and feel so right. Coffee cup and open door. I step outside and hear the roar. Walking down the busy street, smiles and voices that we meet, small conversations, easy sounds, every day new joys found. Sometimes it's hard, don't feel alone. With every word we find a tone. Practice slowly, sing and say. Learning grows a little each day. Good night now, the stars are near. Dream of words you